Hello everyone, this is Alex and welcome back to Speak and Shine Learning. In this video, we will practice 200 daily routine sentences. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and speak with confidence. With daily practice, your English will become better and more natural. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Listen to me. I wake up. Speak with me. I wake up. Listen to me. I get up. Speak with me. I get up. Listen to me. I make my bed. Speak with me. I make my bed. Listen to me. I go to the bathroom. Speak with me. I go to the bathroom. Listen to me. I wash my face. Speak with me. I wash my face. Listen to me. I brush my teeth. Speak with me. I brush my teeth. Listen to me. I comb my hair. Speak with me. I comb my hair. Listen to me. I take a shower. Speak with me. I take a shower. Listen to me. I get dressed. Speak with me. I get dressed. Listen to me. I look in the mirror. Speak with me. I look in the mirror. Listen to me. I feel fresh. Speak with me. I feel fresh. Listen to me. I go to the kitchen. Speak with me. I go to the kitchen. Listen to me. I make breakfast. Speak with me. I make breakfast. Listen to me. I eat my breakfast. Speak with me. I eat my breakfast. Listen to me. I drink water. Speak with me. I drink water. Listen to me. I drink tea. Speak with me. I drink tea. Listen to me. I take my bag. Speak with me. I take my bag. Listen to me. I put on my shoes. Speak with me. I put on my shoes. Listen to me. I lock the door. Speak with me. I lock the door. Listen to me. I leave home. Speak with me. I leave home. Listen to me. I walk to the bus stop. Speak with me. I walk to the bus stop. Listen to me. I wait for the bus. Speak with me. I wait for the bus. Listen to me. I get on the bus. Speak with me. I get on the bus. Listen to me. I find a seat. Speak with me. I find a seat. Listen to me. I sit down. Speak with me. I sit down. Listen to me. I look outside. Speak with me. I look outside. Listen to me. I enjoy the view. Speak with me. I enjoy the view. Listen to me. I reach my stop. Speak with me. I reach my stop. Listen to me. I get off the bus. Speak with me. I get off the bus. Listen to me. I walk to work. Speak with me. I walk to work. Listen to me. I enter the office. Speak with me. I enter the office. Listen to me. I greet everyone. Speak with me. I greet everyone. Listen to me. I sit on my chair. Speak with me. I sit on my chair. Listen to me. I turn on my computer. Speak with me. I turn on my computer. Listen to me. I check my emails. Speak with me. I check my emails. Listen to me. I start my work. Speak with me. I start my work. Listen to me. I focus on my tasks. Speak with me. I focus on my tasks. Listen to me. I write notes. Speak with me. I write notes. Listen to me. I make a call. Speak with me. I make a call. Listen to me. I send a message. Speak with me. I send a message. Listen to me. I meet my team. Speak with me. I meet my team. Listen to me. I take a short break. Speak with me. I take a short break. Listen to me. I drink water again. Speak with me. I drink water again. Listen to me. I relax for a minute. Speak with me. I relax for a minute. Listen to me. I go back to work. Speak with me. I go back to work. Listen to me. I finish my tasks. Speak with me. I finish my tasks. Listen to me. I pack my things. Speak with me. I pack my things. Listen to me. I leave the office. Speak with me. I leave the office. Listen to me. I travel back home. Speak with me. I travel back home. Listen to me. I unlock the door. Speak with me. I unlock the door. Listen to me. I enter my home. Speak with me. I enter my home. Listen to me. I wash my hands. Speak with me. I wash my hands. Listen to me. I change my clothes. Speak with me. I change my clothes. Listen to me. I rest for a while. Speak with me. I rest for a while. Listen to me. I drink tea at home. Speak with me. I drink tea at home. Listen to me. I sit with my family. Speak with me. I sit with my family. Listen to me. I talk to my family. Speak with me. I talk to my family.